Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to SAS View. I am Sumajish. I am here to tell you something about how to face challenges in your life. Yes, dear friends, in a human life, a lots of things happens unexpectedly. Whenever we are ready to face those challenges, we feel surprises are along the way. Sometimes it may be good or bad, but it totally depends how we react according to those situations, how we are going to react or respond to that matter. And sometimes you got to believe that this is a part of our life, or this may be very hard time you've been going through, a big issues you've been facing in your life. But when after completing those challenge, you feel yourself relaxed and you feel like this was not a big issue as you thought about that matter. So this is a kind of courage. We will become more courageous to face more challenges. So this is what life teaches us facing each challenge. So dear friends, I want to share 2 points with you when you are going to face the challenges. Yes, one is to stay calm. It because we all are panic in certain times. Whenever at difficult situations we need to face it directly, it's quite natural that we are going to get panic. And it because some people always switch on the panic button when they are going to face challenges. They start creating a loads of bad images in their mind and they believe that it would happen, but ultimately it will not happen. So what we have to do whenever we have these difficult situations, think about yourself, what you can do on these situations. Yes, we all need to acquire courage for doing that. So whenever you have a loads of difficulties and you need to find a solution for that, what you have to do is just solve an issue that you feel yes you can do it, or start a trial yourself to find a solution for that challenge, and gradually you realize that you have the courage to face the challenge. So this is what, after finishing the challenge, we normally become more confident to face one more challenge. So this is what stay calm on any occasions you feel it is very tough for you. So dear friends, my second point is letting go of anger. This is a situations you could face a loads of time in your life from your own surroundings, where you live, where you work, or where you are surrounded with people. So you will get the bad experience from our own family, from friends or relatives, colleagues, or from directly from the public. It depends on the situations. Sometimes they will spread bad news about you, bad things about you. Sometimes they get angry with you, they will offend you. This is a certain kinds of situations. So normally what our reaction is to be aggressive on those situations. So when we are aggressive, we are going to behave badly, isn't it? So whenever we are going to behave badly, so it slowly and it get a part of our habit to get angry easily and to respond, we respond immediately or react to any such kinds of situations. So we need to get rid from all these situations. Otherwise, all these situations will create a lot of mental and physical pressure. So you are the one who need to take initiative to get rid from those kinds of bad situations. You can call because why you are getting you are having a lot of stress from all those bad conditions, and now you start thinking you are creating a lot of pressure, and it create a lot of problem for you mentally and physically. So letting go of things from our life is giving a lot of relaxation. So we need to get relaxed by letting go of all these things. So dear friends, whenever we are going to face all those kinds of situations, difficult, tough kinds of situations in life, then you will realize how much stronger you are. So every tough situations giving a chance to become stronger. So when you feel about the bad situations, when you are going to face all the bad situations, don't feel bad about it. It is giving an opportunity to become stronger. It is giving you an opportunity to become stronger than ever before. So this is the one point we should keep in mind going to face a tough aggressive situations. Here, you need to practice facing challenges in your present moment so you can grow with a lot of potentials. Everybody has the potential, but whenever there are situations to face challenges, we will identify how much courageous we are. So, everybody has the potential to do so many things, but sometimes we know that situations giving a lot of stress. Whenever you feel stress, meanwhile you are facing challenges. So it is always tells about the stressing out. The potential outcome is often turns into a molehill into a mountain. So this is what comebacks is stronger than setbacks. So, always ready to face challenges. How to face challenges? It means you need to be very calm and quiet and letting go of angry, bad situations from your life. So, you just take initiative to solve the issues yourself. So, you will be knowing how much potential and courage you have. You feel relaxed. You are going to find a right solution for your problem. This is my point of view on this topic, and I hope this is adding more value in your life. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a nice time. Bye bye.